Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to check how many cores you have on your PC. So you can check it by right click here and open the task manager. Even you can search the task manager directly here, and then once you see it, you may see this window like this. Click on this arrow and then go for a performance, and then you should able to get your CPU. Now here is the cores. You can see here the cores section is 6 and logical cores. So basically you have the physical core 6 and logical core, which means the virtual core. So virtual cores are basically the technology is created by the Intel or the AMD. It is called hyper threading. It does not add any hardware, but it allows the hardware to work as a separate cores. It means that you have the physical hands, like you have 6 physical hands, but logically you have divided those into 8 as well. It is similar like once we created the virtual machine in our physical system, so it multiplies the system physical core into the virtual core to run the more tasks simultaneously. So more the physical core it has more hands and more powers, and also it contains the logical cores as well. Normally it contains multiply 2. Let's say you have the 4 physical cores, so logical cores most of the cases should be 8. So this is how you can check it, and you can see the difference between the cores and logical cores on your system. So this is how guys you can calculate it, and I hope you know the process now and you are clear now, so you can buy the PC accordingly or check your CPU generation as well as the its logical core and physical cores. And you can see the base speed as well related to the CPU. 1.20 gigahertz is my CPU speed. That is a normal PC, but if you want to a higher PC for the gaming and other things, so you can go higher than 3.0 gigahertz PC. So that's all for this video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.